Hey guys, Jason here. Got the second part of the Spanish coin ring and decided to go with a 5/8 hole on this guy. That's going to give me a little bit more room to work with, but we're also making a small ring, 7.5 size. So, but I'm going to take a look at under the microscope and see how that metal looks inside. I went ahead and annealed it first and then punched the hole, and it punched very, very quickly, very lightly, and it felt different. So it was kind of strange. It's like, whoa. But yeah, it looks like there is quite a bit of copper. A lot of copper came up to the surface on the anneal. I did that because I was worried about it being so hard from the minting process 528 years ago. Not that the age has anything to do with it, other than just the way that they minted coins back then. So, but yeah, we'll take a look under the microscope and see how she looks. So you can see here, looks like every other coin that's been punched. I got the plug here too. So yeah, I don't see any pockets on the inside or anything like that. And nice clean cut. So I'm going to bevel, soften out that soft edge, or soften that sharp edge there, and go to the next step. We're going to fold it very slowly, very carefully, and take a close look again as I fold it into the ring. Once it's folded, we'll sweet wrap it and take it to size, just maybe a little over, maybe size 8, size 8.5, and then we'll finish the ring in the 25 degree dies. So far so good. And sorry for not doing the video while I'm making it. I'm actually having camera trouble. So rather than trying to figure out the camera and make this ring at the same time, that's too much for me to do. So I'm just going to make the ring and go through the process and the steps and then show it to you on the camera. So I got to get a new camera. So sorry about that, but it is what it is. So we'll go from there. But all right, wish me luck. Talk to you later. Bye.